Welcome back to EM Facts. Today, we will discuss a topic of great interest to many expecting mothers: hand expression as a natural way to start labor. As with any medical procedure or technique, it's always important to check with your healthcare provider before attempting anything new. However, when done safely and with guidance, hand expression can effectively start labor naturally. So, how does hand expression work to induce labor? The act of hand expression stimulates the release of oxytocin, a hormone that causes contractions in the uterus. By gently massaging and stimulating the nipples, oxytocin can be released in the body, causing contractions that can start labor. Now, let's go over some simple steps for using hand expression to start labor naturally. Step 1. Find a quiet and relaxing environment where you can focus on the task at hand. Step 2. Begin by gently massaging and rubbing your breasts, starting at the top and working towards the nipples. You can use circular motions, long strokes, or even a breast pump to get things started. Step 3. Once you've stimulated the nipples, gently press down on the nipple and areola with your fingertips. You can use a rolling or pinching motion, depending on what feels comfortable for you. Step 4. Continue with the hand expression for 10 to 15 minutes, taking breaks to rest and relax. Remember that every woman's body is different, and results may vary. Working with a healthcare provider is essential to determine if hand expression is the right option for you. The use of hand expression can be a natural and effective method of starting labor safely and with guidance. With oxytocin stimulation, hand expression can promote contractions and encourage labor. If you're considering hand expression to start delivery, talk to your healthcare provider and take precautions to ensure your safety and well-being. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness.